Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Price, and I'm here to give you land tip number 44 on how to create a neighbor list. So this is obviously really important, especially if you're self-marketing your own property to sell to those immediately around the area. And there's actually two different ways you can utilize our platform to do this. So the first way I'm going to show you is by using our Polygon Lasso tool. So first and foremost, what you want to do is click the map icon just above the search bar. And then once the map pops up, you want to go to our search box and then paste in the lat and long data of the property you're trying to sell. So I'm going to paste it in there, click enter, and then you're going to see it's going to locate the property in question. So once I have that, I'm just going to scroll out a little bit, and then I'm going to use our Lasso tool to basically fence in the area around it where I want to pull in ownership data to create my neighbor list. So I'm going to go lock that in, click submit, and then I have my Polygon search active. So that's great. Once I have that, I'm going to open up the advanced search, and there's a few more steps that I need to take. So first of all, I'm going to go down to the land use section, and I have all vacant land use picked, but what I want to do is click the more button just below it, and then also select SFR, because I'm trying to send out those letters to those actually living in that area. So I'm going to click SFR, so I'm targeting those people in particular. And once I have that, that kind of solves the first problem, the first option that you can use. And so the second way you can do this is actually a different approach. So I'm going to click the X here for the Polygon search, and instead of utilizing that, I'm actually going to search the county in question to start off. So let's say I wanted to go with Lawrence County, Tennessee. I'm going to plug that in, select it, and then what I'm going to do, I already have the land uses selected, so that's all great, but I'm going to go down to our owner filter section and then go to our mailing zip code field in particular. So what I'm going to do now is actually drop that down, and what I can do is plug in the zip code where that property is to target those owner records immediately around that area. So let's say I plugged in 138457, and then I could do multiple zip codes if I really wanted to, but once I have that set, all I need to do is come back up, click search, and then it's going to find those owner records in question. So those are the two different options that you can choose to create a neighbor list. The other thing that you may want to do is remove duplicates on download, just so you're only targeting and mailing one property owner in particular, and so you're not giving them the same letter over and over again if they own more than one property. But that's really how you can create a neighbor list with our platform. So please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.